Did you know that living a luxurious lifestyle doesn't always have to break the bank? In fact, there are 5 incredibly affordable states in America where you can live like royalty without draining your savings account. From stunning landscapes to vibrant cities, these hidden gems offer a perfect blend of luxury and affordability. So if you're ready to discover where you can indulge in the finer things in life without the hefty price tag, then buckle up because we're about to embark on an eye-opening journey through the 5 insanely cheap states of America for living a luxury life. Starting with number 5, Mississippi. Renowned for its southern hospitality, warmly welcomes visitors and residents alike with its charming demeanor and friendly atmosphere. Beyond its welcoming nature, Mississippi presents an appealing proposition for those seeking an affordable lifestyle, with a notably low cost of living complemented by relatively inexpensive housing options. This affordability extends a welcoming hand to individuals and families looking to establish roots without the burden of exorbitant expenses, making Mississippi an attractive destination for those seeking financial stability and a comfortable standard of living. Moreover, Mississippi's allure is not limited to its economic advantages. The state's natural beauty and cultural richness contribute to its undeniable charm. From the picturesque landscapes of rolling hills and expansive forests to the tranquil waters of its rivers and lakes, Mississippi offers breathtaking scenery that beckons exploration and appreciation. In essence, Mississippi's appeal lies not only in its affordability, but also in its embrace of natural beauty and cultural heritage, making it a compelling destination for those seeking a balanced and fulfilling lifestyle. Before we continue to the next state on our list, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can get more travel-related information through our videos. Number 4 on our list is Arkansas. Nestled in the heart of the South, stands out as an inviting destination for those seeking a comfortable lifestyle without breaking the bank. With a reputation for a low cost of living, the state provides residents with the opportunity to enjoy a luxurious lifestyle while adhering to a budget. This affordability is particularly evident in the housing market, where relatively inexpensive housing options allow individuals and families to find their dream homes without shouldering excessive financial burdens. Furthermore, Arkansas's advantageous tax environment further enhances its appeal, enabling residents to maximize their resources and allocate them toward other facets of life. Beyond its economic benefits, Arkansas offers a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, boasting a diverse array of recreational activities amidst its picturesque landscapes. From the rugged trails of the Ozark Mountains to the serene lakes and rivers scattered across the state, Arkansas provides ample opportunities for hiking, fishing, camping, and other outdoor pursuits. In essence, Arkansas's combination of a low cost of living, abundant outdoor recreational opportunities, and a favorable tax environment makes it an enticing option for those seeking a balance between affordability and quality of life. Bringing us to number 3, Alabama. With its welcoming climate and friendly populace, it stands as a beacon of southern hospitality and charm. Renowned for its low cost of living, the state beckons individuals seeking an affordable yet comfortable lifestyle. Alabama's affordability is reflected not only in its housing market, where affordable options abound, but also in its overall cost of living, allowing residents to enjoy a high quality of life without straining their budgets. This affordability, coupled with the warmth of its people, creates a nurturing environment where individuals and families can thrive and find solace in a community that values connection and camaraderie. Moreover, Alabama's cultural landscape adds depth and vibrancy to its appeal, offering a myriad of attractions and experiences for residents and visitors alike. From museums showcasing the state's rich history and heritage to theaters hosting performances that captivate audiences, Alabama boasts a diverse array of cultural offerings. Additionally, the state's calendar is peppered with festivals celebrating its traditions, music, and cuisine, providing ample opportunities for immersion in its lively cultural tapestry. Let's move on to number 2, West Virginia. Nestled amidst stunning mountain landscapes, West Virginia beckons with its picturesque scenery and abundant outdoor recreational opportunities, setting the stage for a high quality of life without the hefty price tag. The state's affordability shines through in its housing market, where affordable options abound, allowing residents to find their ideal homes without straining their finances. Additionally, West Virginia's advantageous tax environment further enhances its appeal, enabling residents to stretch their budgets and allocate resources toward other aspects of life. This combination of affordability and natural beauty creates an inviting haven for those seeking a luxurious lifestyle on a budget, where they can bask in the splendor of the mountains while enjoying the comforts of home. Beyond its economic advantages, West Virginia's outdoor recreational offerings add depth and richness to its appeal, inviting residents to explore and appreciate the wonders of nature. From hiking trails that wind through majestic forests to rivers and lakes perfect for fishing and water sports, West Virginia provides endless opportunities for outdoor adventure and relaxation. This abundance of natural beauty not only promotes physical well-being, but also fosters a deep connection with the environment, enriching the overall quality of life for residents. Number 1, we have Kentucky. Steeped in rich history and southern charm, beckons with its iconic horse farms, renowned bourbon distilleries, and captivating landscapes. The state's allure extends beyond its cultural landmarks to encompass a lifestyle characterized by affordability and luxury. With a low cost of living and a plethora of affordable housing options, Kentucky presents an enticing proposition for individuals and families seeking to enjoy life's comforts without breaking the bank. Moreover, Kentucky's cultural landscape adds depth and vibrancy to its appeal, offering a diverse array of attractions ranging from historic sites and museums to lively festivals celebrating the state's heritage. Whether one is drawn to the rolling hills and lush pastures of the countryside or the bustling energy of its cities, Kentucky offers an abundance of opportunities for outdoor exploration and cultural immersion. In essence, Kentucky's blend of southern charm, affordability, and cultural richness makes it a captivating destination for those seeking a luxurious lifestyle without compromise. Thank you for watching our video on the top 5 insanely cheap states in America where you can live a luxurious life on a budget. We hope you found this information helpful and inspiring as you explore options for your next living destination. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more health-related content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads. Remember, living luxuriously doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag, and with the right knowledge and resources, you can find your dream lifestyle in one of these budget-friendly states. Until next time, happy living and stay tuned for more.